A few months ago, my buddy said, hey, my dad has this four-wheeler. He bought in 2000. He's hardly used it. Do I want to buy it? It's been sitting for about 20 years. Well, check it out. We picked it up. This is a 2000 Polaris Sportsman 335. So like this thing is in really nice condition. And I bought it for $1,000. $1,000 got me this bad boy. So let's get working on the Polaris Sportsman. All right, first thing, as you saw, we pulled off the seat. Now we're just gonna pull out. See that? We got the fuel line off. Look at that, it looks brand new. Don't think this is the right battery, but we're gonna throw it in either way. It should have enough power to turn this thing over. We got oil. I think we're almost ready. The bolt on the bottom of the carb stripped out, so I can't really loosen it up to let the fuel drain out. So that means we're just gonna have to pull the carburetor. So let's start doing that. I'm gonna clean this carburetor and throw the new carb stuff in there. Get that thrown in.
Got it all cleaned up now. Floats moving, they're free. It seals up properly. A little mangled over here, but what are we gonna do? I think it's fine.
Thanks to FridayParts for sending me these tools. I've been using them in like all of my videos. So the majority of the tools used to fix the Sportsman were FridayParts.com tools. FridayParts sent that to me. Check out FridayParts.com.